This lesson covers implementing NIC teaming within a virtual machine. Typically, NIC teaming is done at the host level to combine multiple network adapters into a single aggregated connection. I then get the aggregated bandwidth and also protection from a network adapter failure. There may, however, be times where you wish to actually implement NIC teaming within a virtual machine, and this is possible for up to 2 virtual NICs within a VM to be teamed in a supported fashion. In this example, I have given this virtual machine 2 network adapters, network adapter 1 and network adapter 2, and they're both connected to the same data center switch, so now suitable for teaming. I can add additional network adapters through Add Hardware. This is a clustered virtual machine, so the actual addition would have to be performed through Failover Cluster Manager. To enable these to be used for NIC teaming within the guest operating system, you must select the network adapter, go to Advanced Features, scroll down to the bottom and check Enable this network adapter to be part of a team in the guest operating system. I would need to do that for both of the network adapters. I will click Apply and then OK. I can now start this virtual machine. This change can also be made through PowerShell. For example, I can do get VM network adapter for a certain virtual machine. For example, VM Gen 1. I could then pipe that to the set VM network adapter commandlet and say allow teaming on, which performs exactly the same configuration I just performed through the graphical interface. Once that virtual machine has started, I would actually configure NIC teaming in exactly the same way as I would a physical machine. I would see 2 network adapters within this virtual machine. I would go into Server Manager or use PowerShell, and then within there, I could then use the NIC teaming configuration. For example, I can go to Local Server. I have NIC teaming option. I can select the disabled. And now I see I have 2 network adapters available, Ethernet and Ethernet 2. I would then in my teams say a new team. I would select those adapters and I've now created NIC teaming within that guest operating system. And again, I could also use PowerShell if I wished.